Welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you about the screen resolution of Apple iPhone 14. In the iPhone 14, we have a 61-inch screen with a screen resolution of 1170 pixels into 2532 pixels and 390 pixels into 844 pixels viewport resolution. Screen resolution is the number of physical pixels present on a screen. Beside that, Apple improved the cinematic mode for the iPhone 14, which can now record in 4K at 30 frames per second and also on 24 frames per second using the feature. One of the biggest upgrades for the iPhone 14 Pro camera system is the main lens, being increased to 48 megapixels with what Apple calls an advanced quad pixel sensor. The best resolution you can get is with the camera, which allows you to take pictures with 8064 into 6048 pixels. So if you love taking pictures or videos, then the Apple iPhone 14 might inspire you. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe.